Hello everyone, welcome back. Yeeps hide and seek, but Animal Company. I want to add some stuff here, so okay. I've added the promo code machines. You can type in anything you want. See if it's promo code. You can also get the plush from here. And okay, I think I need to be in non-creative mode to demonstrate this. Because this took way too long to make and is a mess. And I mean a mess of wires. You go in. You can get all your original stuff over here. Oh, wait, hold up. Yeah, I have kept this. I do like it. It's a little bit of cheap-ish coins that you can get really early on. Crap. Okay. Wait, now we can go for the big one. Okay, we can either go for the bigger one. I mean, it's all or nothing. And then that gives us 400. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, then we're completely out of everything. But I think I need to demonstrate that, so, let me figure out how to do that. I need to make a better system for that. Okay. Now we start. Then we take this, go to recall. That'll give us 2,000. So, we can go one, but this one's the good one. Okay, so this one's the good one. My yays! You serious? Okay, basically, I'm gonna show you guys the wiring for this. It's this. It's currently broken, but this will activate, then activates that. Then it goes around and basically it gives you two of the same item. So basically you put in 500 and then you get 800 back. That is going to be the end of today's episode. Bye.